like surgery. Scalpel.
Right tool for the right job.
That's right. We want to get these screws out of here so that we can not step on them. That's starting to get softer.
Claw hammer. One of the best tools for cob ever.
Claw hammer with a straight claw. Show them
with a straightest claw you can get.
Straightest claw, yep.
Very, very good tool. Almost indispensable.
Yeah. It's actually a lot more accurate than most of the other ways of getting this stuff away.
Still no joint.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
I'm tempted to see if we can get insulated pipe, even like a crappy one off of Craigslist or something, to run down this.
Yeah. I mean, there's going to be a lot of heat left over. Does it really need to be insulated?
Well, it'll draw better, I think, if it's insulated, but maybe it cooks enough out that it's already sort of insulated. More important to just use stainless, I think.
Yeah, I mean, my thought would be like, if it's insulated, that means the interior part can handle the heat.
Right.
Because that's just the deal, so.
Yep.
I mean, I don't actually care about the insulated. I'm with you on that. It's just stainless. You know, I mean, I've got some setups where I actually am using cob for the pipe.
Yeah. Yep.
You know, so
you wiggle that pipe. See it twist that pipe. See how we're.
Still got a little ways to go.
Yeah.
Still loose.
See what it looks like from the inside. It looks dusty from the inside. That's what it looks like.
No movement yet. So just keep going up.
Just keep going up.
All right.
Yeah, we got to put a T somewhere. Yeah, dusty.